So I tried to start my car today and it is not running, apparently. I tried to... This is why Fords suck. They don't keep the battery charged up. This is why that's why Fords suck. I can even try to start it for you guys, and I hope it starts. Nothing. Absolutely nothing, guys. Look at this. I'm literally turning the key, and nothing's working. This is why Fords suck. I swear. Nothing's working in this car. I'm officially done with Ford. I'm officially done. And the battery is brand new too. I'm done. I'm done with Ford. Yeah, it's nothing. Well, what to talk about? I can't. Nah, I'm just kidding. Today was actually sort of a good day. Not much problems, not many things going on today. Tried to start my car, it doesn't work, like I showed you guys. Actually, I might be vlogging maybe tomorrow. Maybe. If I'm lucky, I will. If I have a chance, I will vlog tomorrow. If I can, on my way to school. If not, then I'll just do the normal. Every 2 days, I'll vlog. You guys know, if I don't vlog, you guys know, I've got stuff to do. I have a life too. But I'll try to vlog every other day as possible. My phone is currently at 14%, and I cannot do much with that. So, I'm gonna put it on the charger right after I get finished with you guys. After I get done, I don't know what's wrong with this car. I mean, Ford suck in general. That's why Ford suck. Is they don't keep the battery charged up. That's why Ford suck. Don't get a Ford. Honestly. My car's, what, 16 years old? It's a 99. It shouldn't have as many problems as it does. Shouldn't. But that's just me. Fords suck. You have your own opinion. Therefore, you can get a Ford or get Chevy or Dodge or whatever. I like Dodge and Pontiac. My dad's Pontiac over there. But still, Fords suck. I just don't even know what's wrong with this car in general. I try to start it and nothing works. What the hell is this button? Oh, overdrive. Yeah, Ford suck in general. I'm trying to think about anything else I can update you guys on. Police officers just went drive by. Okay. Sam PD just drove by. They're looking for someone down here. I don't know what they're doing, but they're looking for somebody, not me. I didn't do it. Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what I can say to you guys or update you. There is nothing I can update. I can't update you guys because I've already updated you guys on a lot of stuff I've been doing this week. Yeah. Well, that's the end of this one. I got 5 seconds. Yeah, Fords suck. To be honest with you guys. Yeah. I'm probably gonna sell this thing. It sucks and doesn't do the things I like to do it. To do. I'm gonna go get a Dodge Challenger Hellcat. I'm American muscle. I love American. Screw Ford. Just screw them. Hell, I might even go get a bike. American Chopper. Hey, there we go. Yeah, there's like nothing I can or cannot say. Remember the first time I vlogged? That thing sucked. The first time I vlogged, I was so nervous out of my mind. Now this is like an easy thing to do. Pull up my phone, vlog, done. How hard? I was telling people about it. I was gonna start vlogging, and people are like, "Oh, you shouldn't vlog. It's like crazy. You won't even get any views." And the amount of time I put into it, I do get a lot of views. I get tons and tons and tons of views. Yeah, no. I only have like, what, 6 subscribers? And most of you watch them and most of you don't? Does that affect me? No. But I do want more views on this one though. I love you guys. And have a great day tomorrow. If it's like nighttime tonight, anytime I upload this, have a great night. I love you. And don't forget, you're beautiful, you're one of a kind. I love you. Brandon Holder out. Love you.